Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support our channel Auto Asphalt for the most exciting car content. Your one click helps us bring you more classic and modern car reviews every week. Today we're taking a trip back in time with a machine that still turns heads, the legendary 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger, a truck that wasn't just built tough but looked bold doing it. This classic American pickup is more than just metal and horsepower, it's a piece of history, and in today's video, we're diving into what made it so special, how it performs, and whether it still holds up in today's world. The 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger came in during a time when trucks were starting to evolve from pure workhorses into more stylish, comfortable, and multi-purpose vehicles. With its wide chrome front grille, round headlamps, and solid body lines, it had serious road presence. The Ranger trim was a step up, giving it extra chrome touches, two-tone paint options, and a more refined interior with better seat materials and dash styling. This wasn't just a truck for hauling stuff, it was made to look good doing it. Under the hood, the F-150 Ranger was available with multiple engine options. The most popular choices included the 5.0L V8 and the beastly 6.6L 400 cubic inch V8. These engines weren't built for fuel economy, but they offered strong low-end torque, perfect for towing and off-road use. The 6.6L V8 especially could push the Ranger from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 10 seconds, which for a pickup from the 70s was considered super fast. That old-school growl from the V8 made every drive feel powerful, raw, and connected. However, being super fast came at a cost: fuel economy. You'd be lucky to get around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, and even less if you pushed the throttle too much. But back then, performance and toughness mattered more than fuel efficiency. In terms of value today, prices vary depending on condition. A well-maintained original or a restored 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger can cost anywhere between $15,000 to $30,000, while rarer high-performance variants or those with special trim packages may demand even more. Enthusiasts love this truck for its reliability, classic look, and mechanical simplicity, making it easier to maintain and modify. So if you're into vintage trucks with real character and don't mind the gas bills, the 1978 F-150 Ranger is a timeless American icon. Let us know what you think of this beast in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video if you're a fan of classic pickups.